today guys, Maverick only in the house. And actually, I'm still inside the house. Okay, just to give you a warning, okay, so to what just happened to me this past recent days. Okay, so Saturday, my friend sent me, remittance for me to buy something for him. Okay, so what I told him, if it's easier to transfer from bank to bank, it's better. But if you don't have any way of transferring, money from your bank account, because he lives in America, going to mine, so the best way, easiest way is Western Union. Okay? So I know I'm not just the one who's doing it. Hindi lang ako yung mga gumagawa ng ganito. Okay? The reason why I had this mga transaction, because naman na I have online selling, or not really online selling. It's just if I have orders abroad for my hats, so that was the easiest way for me to get paid. Okay, so naman siguro I fucking do hats like this. Okay, so that's why I had that account. Okay, actually it's a Kabayan account. When you say Kabayan account in BDO, it's for usually OFWs who remits money o pera from there going here. So it would be easier for them, because most of my clients are Filipinos also. Yung mga ganito, diba? I do hats like this. Okay, so, but this one's not for a hat, because this one, my friend told me, or asked me if I can do something for him, because I need to buy something for him. So that's what he did last Saturday. It was April 18. But so I did that. So para to make it easier, I have to go, kasi sometimes I don't have time to do errands like those. So I need to do it quickest, syempre, di ba, yung mabilisan na. And what I'll do is, I'll make a bono, diba? I'll just go out of the house para it would be quieter. Still early in the morning, so only I think 6 o'clock. So, yun, pinasok niya yung pera. Ginawa niya, pumunta siya sa Walgreens, America. So, doon sa Walgreens, usually, parang parang siyang Watson, diba? So, there are like, may mga produkto there. Tapos, there's also siguro Western Union there, na baka third party who you can probably use and send money if you want to send money to anyone in the world, parang ganun. So pinadala niya yung receipt. So there's like yung MCN, yung tracking number ng Western Union. So I had that na. So what I did, I went to Mega Mall. Yun yung napanood nyo na may na-meet pa akong dalawang chick na si Camille tsaka si Venus, diba? So I bought kung anong kailangan bilhin. Inabono ko na kasi padating na naman yung pera. So after that, I went to SM, kasi you can remit sa SM ng yung ganun, Western Union. So okay naman, mayroon man transaction, pero sabi in progress, meaning hindi ko pa ma-withdraw kasi hindi pa pumapasok sa system. So sabi so I gave the ID, everything. Sabi nung sales lady, sir, balikan nyo na lang. Baka tomorrow, okay na yun. So, it was Monday. So, Monday pa lang, mga bandang mga 10 o'clock na, I went pinakamalapit sa instansya na Western Union. So, punta ako ron. Tapos sabi sa akin, nung chinek namin, kasi you can check it sa website, just, type your tracking number. So still nakalagay doon, still was in progress. Makikita niyo dyan ito. So okay lang, sabi ko, well, sige, I'll just do my day, do everything, ganun. Tapos eventually, come mga around alas 5, sabi ko siguro naman pumasok na yun. So sinek ko sa website, pasok nga, delivered nakalagay. So, siguro makikita niyo dyan, nakalagay ko. Tapos yun nga, sabi delivered. So I went, Kasi pagpunta ko ng Western Union dito sa ano ulit, sa Estancia, puta, paid na daw, transacted. Sabi ko, puta, sino magke-claim noon, di ba? So, sabi ko, ano yun? Sabi ko, who would claim it here? Kasi ako lang magki-claim, hindi ko naman na-claim. Alam niya rin naman di ko pa na-claim kasi nung chinek namin nung mas maaga, sabi nga doon, in progress. So sabi niya, sir, you have to talk to yung nagpadala sa'yo. Baka binawi. Sabi ko, bakit naman babawiin yung kaibigan ko na pinadala niya? Alam naman niyang naabunuhan ko na, ganyan, di ba? So that was the story. So medyo kupal din naman yung kausap ko na Western Union. Kasi reliever lang, lalaki. Parang pinapakita niya, parang hindi sila mali. Sabi ko, tinanong ko siya, sabi ko, pero pwede ba mangyari, pitikin dun sa Amerika? Kung sino man yung nakausap ng kaibigan ko, kunyari, ginawa yung transaction na ganyan, may resibo, pumasok, pero in the end, pwede niyang gawin, pitikin yun, yung pera, doon. Sabi, una, hindi niya daw alam, kausapin ko daw muna. So, okay. So, tinawagan ko kaibigan ko, sumagot naman, sabi ko, Ron, hindi daw, may problema, sabi ko. Hindi ko ma-receive yung pera dito. Hindi ko naman na-receive, pero transacted na daw. May kumuha ng iba. So sabi ko, ba't ganun? Sabi niya, hindi naman daw niya binawi or anything. So sabi ko, saan mo pinasok ba? Kasi usually, makiklaim ko yun ng cash di ba? Sabi niya, sa account ko daw, sa BDO. So I went to BDO. Same thing, I gave the account number, yun nga, MCN. Tapos tinayos ng BDO, sabi, sir, transacted. So meaning talagang wala na yung pera. So di rin naman pumasok sa account ko. What the fuck? Okay, so ayun. So problema talaga. So I went back to fucking Western Union. Parang gigisahin ko na yung lalaki doon. Sabihin ko kasi medyo mayabang siya noong una na hindi daw pwede Kasi sinabi niya sa akin na pwede rin pala mangyari doon pa lang sa Amerika na nakawin na. So I even called my friend Darwin. Kasi kami ni Darwin, yun ang transaction namin, Western Union. Wala man naging problema sa Canada. So sabi ni Darwin, baka daw third party yung napunta ng isang kaibigan namin. Tapos doon niya pinasok yung pera. Kaya pwede mangyari yun. So now, well, I'll try to go back ulit sa Western Union tsaka sa BDO. If I can show you the video. Baka sakaling hindi pa pumapasok sa account ko, tingnan natin. Pero imposible na kasi 3 araw na. Diba usually pag Western Union, dapat real time. In just minutes, you can receive your remittance. So yun lang guys, medyo ingat lang rin kasi tangina, talagang marami na scam ngayon sa mundo. Diba? So kahit na ganun kaliliit na transaction, actually manipis lang. 100 lang $. Diba? So wala lang. Kasi sa tingin ko mas madali nakahawin yung maliliit na transaction na ganyan kaysa dun sa mas malalaking transaction. So I'm just telling you guys na to be careful, lalo na yung mga kahit na the usual online transaction here sa atin sa Pilipinas, diba? Ingat din kayo. So yun lang. So hopefully I'll show you what's still happening and what will be the result. Kung talagang putang ina ninakaw ng mga Amerikano doon, ng mga tao ni Donald Trump sa Amerika. Yung ganong kalit na transaction. So yun lang. So yun, I hope guys you enjoy all the videos na I post. Medyo napansin ko, medyo humihina yung mga viewers natin Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Maganda naman lahat ng video na pinapakita ko right now. Kasi siguro depende rin talaga sa taste at oras ng mga nanonood. Pero I do this, not for myself, but for all you guys who are really in tune to what I do, diba? Thank you for all those support na mga nagme-message tsaka yung mga nagko-comment sa mga video natin. So then again, I hope you watch all the videos. Click watch, subscribe, comment, and share to all my videos. So ito magang-maga, fucking shit. Problema pa rin. Pero wala naman yun, manipis lang yan. So Maverick only is out, mi amiga. Only. What the